Zoe, see if he'll give you a bite. Oh, that's so nice. You give Zoe another bite? You give her another bite? You give Zoe a bite? You give Daddy a bite? You give Grandma a bite? You give Grandma a bite?
Egg.
Oh, Grandma gets egg? No bites for Grandma?
Have a bite.
No more bites?
Okay, I'll take another one bite. I'll take another one bite. Okay, I got my bites. Better than Cinnabon.
A
Sweeter.
Charlie bite! Silly boy.